Enemies.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, we have figured out the issue with this project car that we purchased from Facebook Marketplace last weekend, and the problem is this carburetor here, which the guy I bought it from basically alluded to. So yeah, she's going to be down until I can order the part next week. Then we'll put her back together and see if we can get her running. Yes, I know. I'm sorry, but hey, it is what it is, right? But we're not just going to, sit here and fret and frown. We did know that this was a project car, but in the meantime, in between time, we got some other cars that we can run, right? We have this guy here, which kind of died on me and didn't start back up. So that's another project. I know y'all remember this guy. I'm going to leave a video of this up in the description somewhere here, there. You should see it popping up anyway. But we did manage to get her running after a 2-year layoff, and she still runs freaking good. All I had to do was heat up the motor to, clear out the gunk and whatever, and then fire her up, change the glow plug, and she was ready to go. And these tires are about ready to go too, because she rips. I absolutely love this RC car. Then we have this guy. If you want to know about this guy, leave a comment in the description below, and yeah, I can make a brief video about what happened to this. I got her around the same time I got that one, but for some reason Zenith wouldn't start. And to this day, I would say 10 years later, it's probably been over 10 years, she still won't start. Because that was back when I was a no pro. I mean, I'm still a no pro, but when I purchased her, I was a no pro. So yeah, leave a comment below or get those likes up if you want to see me try to get Zenith running. Here we have the McLaren from New Bright, which is electric. Got the battery, but I don't have the controller. So if anybody that, has this car or has the controller that's willing to sell it, please hit me up. Follow me on my Instagram, which is popping up right now, and hit me up in my DMs and let me know, and if we can make a deal, I'll grab that controller and we can get her running. Here we have my favorite, the purple 4GT, which is a little dusty. But nope, sorry, not going to run her today because I didn't charge her up. And my intentions wasn't to run her today. My intentions was to run, no, not the rock crawler. Nope, not the rock crawler. My intentions is to run this guy here, the Traxxas Slayer. So see, all's not bad. We still have another Nitro RC car that we can run, and she hasn't been ran since the last video, which I will post up here. So that was, yeah, last summer when I did that. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to see if we can get this guy cranked up and take her out for some runs.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I put some fuel in there that I took out of the Project RC and just dumped it in here. We're not going to waste anything. This guy really needs a good steam cleaning. So yeah, maybe that could be a video on how the hell would you clean years of dirt off an RC. So let's see if we can get this guy fired up and do some ripping. As you can see, I do have the green one here in my office at work, but this guy is also seized and probably needs some heat in order for me to try to start it. It does have a carburetor on here that I could borrow from here and put on the red one, but no, I'm going to go ahead and order a new carburetor tomorrow for the red one, and hopefully by this weekend Uh, yeah, depending on when it gets here. Hopefully we can have that started, and then once we get that going, we can come get this one going, and then maybe we can get some runs in with me and the boy. But in the meantime, in between time, I tried to get the Slayer started, but I have to figure out how to charge the receiver. Yeah, I forget how to charge it, so I'm online doing research as to how to do that right now. So yeah, I may have to order some parts for that as well. So this video may actually be kind of brief because I know, you guys was probably anxious to see me run a Nitros RC, and I already ran the off-brand one. Yeah, I do have another one that I could try, that little Viper that I showed you guys. I could try to get that started, but I really want to get that Slayer going again. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. So if you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because hey, we got a lot of stuff that's going to be coming to the Nitros RC channel here real soon, and you don't want to miss that. We will see you guys on the next one, hopefully with some progress. Alright, y'all be easy.